Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors, Noida. Imagine buying a piece of land, completing all formalities, registering the sale deed, and later discovering that same land is already under a court dispute. Now the question is, can you be forced into a case you never filed? In 2025, the Supreme Court of India answered this critical question, and the ruling directly affects every property buyer. Today, we analyze the Supreme Court judgment in Messrs. GN Real Estate versus Shailendra Pradhan and others. This case clarifies a very important procedural issue. When can a subsequent purchaser, someone who buys property after litigation has started, be added as a party to a specific performance suit? The answer lies in Order Number 1, Rule 10 of the Civil Procedure Code, and this decision brings long-needed clarity. Background of this case: the dispute concerned agricultural land situated in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The original plaintiff had filed a suit for a specific performance, seeking enforcement of an agreement to sell. During the pendency of this litigation, Messrs. GM Real Estate purchased the same land through a registered sale deed executed after probate of a will. Apprehending that any decree passed by the court could directly affect its ownership rights, GM Real Estate applied to be pleaded as a party in the pending suit. The trial court allowed this request. However, the High Court reversed that order and rejected the impleadment. The conflict ultimately reached the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court was called upon to decide: is a subsequent purchaser a necessary party in a specific performance suit? And if not, can such a purchaser still be added as a proper party under Order 1, Rule 10 of the Civil Procedure Code? The Supreme Court delivered in a clear and balanced ruling. A subsequent purchaser is not automatically a necessary party. The suit can legally proceed even without them. However, a subsequent purchaser may be impleaded as a proper party if their rights are likely to be affected by the outcome. The power to implead lies in the judicial discretion of the court and must be exercised to ensure complete and effective adjudication without altering the nature of the suit. In simple terms, buying property during litigation does not make you indispensable, and if the court's decision can impact your ownership, the court may bring you on record in the interest of justice. This judgment has significant real-world impact. Protection for bona fide purchasers: they are not automatically forced into litigation. Fairness in trials: courts can include affected purchaser to avoid incomplete or conflicting decrees. Guidance to trial courts: impleadment must depend on legal impact, not merely on chronology. This ruling ensures that procedural law is not used rigidly but intelligently, balancing efficiency, fairness, and substantive justice. To conclude, the Supreme Court in Messrs. GM Real Estate versus Shailendra Pradhan and others has formally settled the position. The subsequent purchaser is not a necessary party, but can be impleaded as a proper party where their rights are likely to be affected. So whether you are dealing with disputed property or purchasing real estate, remember, the focus is not merely when the purchase took place, but whose rights the decree will impact. This year, I, Praveen, Agrawal, thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe for such informative videos. Thank you.